Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install AlmaLinux latest version, that is 9.6 on VirtualBox. Okay, so first go to AlmaLinux official website and download. Then click on download, scroll down, see here the latest release is AlmaLinux 9.6. Okay, and see here we have the two options, DVD ISO and boot ISO, and see here the differences between DVD ISO, boot ISO and minimal. Okay, so in this video I am going to download DVD ISO. Click on it to download, no need to register. See, download started, go to download. See here its size is 11.4 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded AlmaLinux 9.6 DVD ISO. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel or search for this video description how to install it. So click on it, click on new or machine and select new, both are same. So click on new, then provide the name for virtual machine for AlmaLinux. Name can be anything. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. See, this is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Select the folder, then select the downloaded ISO image. Click on drop down and select other, then select the downloaded ISO image and open. See, once you select it, type change it to Linux, subtype to Red Hat, and version is Red Hat 64-bit. See, in subtypes we don't have AlmaLinux, but AlmaLinux is of type Red Hat family. Okay, select this checkbox for the skip unattended installation. Then come to hardware. Here by default memory selected as 2 gigabytes. I am giving 4. Number of CPU equals to hard disk I am giving 50 gigabytes. Okay, these are all based on availability. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or click on this settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, the only option that I want to change is go to settings, then display, then system, then pointing device, select USB tablet, then click on OK. Now, okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start to install the AlmaLinux 9.6 on VirtualBox. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install AlmaLinux 9.6, and hit enter. Now select the language and click on continue. See here the begin installation has been grayed out. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be filled or selected. So click on this installation destination. I'm okay with the default one. Then click on root password. I don't want to lock, so unselect it and provide the password for root account. Confirm the same. Allow root sh login with password. Click on done. User creation. Provide user full name, and this will be the username, and make this user as administrator. Okay, then provide the password for this user. Confirm the same, then click on done. And software selection, click on software selection. See, this is the server with GUI. Okay, or if you want only server, you have to select this one. Or if you want to minimal installation, and see here the other options, minimal install, workstation, and other options. Okay, I'm going with server with GUI, and if you want to add additional softwares like DNS name or any of these, you can select the check boxes. Okay, then click on done. Also, if you want to change the time and date, click on here, and you can select the time zone, region, and city, or you can click on this globe. I'm okay with the default one. Click on done. The same if you want to change language, keyboard, okay, kdump, network, and host name. See, once we selected all these options, see, now we are able to click on begin installation. To start the installation, click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. At the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. Okay, in meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now click on reboot system. Click on username and provide the password. No thanks. Now open terminal. Let me increase the font. Now verify the version that we have installed. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed AlmaLinux. Its version is 9.6. The name is Mage. Okay, Control A. The first step after connecting to AlmaLinux is we have to update the packages. Also see here, the host name is VirtualBox. You can change it also. So update the packages. Sudo dnf update & sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, this will take time. See, nothing to update. Okay, Control A. So in this video we have seen how to download and install AlmaLinux 9.6 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.